Hi everyone, welcome back to the Laravel e-commerce project tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn about create checkout page. So let's see how can we create the checkout page. For creating the checkout page, first of all, go to the cart controller. So just go inside the app directory, http controllers, and then open cart controller. Okay, and now inside this controller, let's create a function here for checkout. So right here public function and function name, which is checkout. And now inside this function, first of all, let's check here user is logged in or not. Okay, for checking the user either logged in or not, let's use here the auth check method. So right here, if not auth under colon check, if user is not logged in, then simply return and redirect to login page. Okay, redirect route and add here the route name login. Okay, it will redirect on login user on login page. Okay, and if user is logged in, then first of all let's fetch here the address from address table. Okay, so right here $address is equal to address model, then fetch the address by user ID. Okay, so just pass here user, where user ID is equal to, let's fetch here the user ID, logged in user ID. Okay, so right here auth colon user, and then access the ID property. Okay, and then add one more where condition, where let's access the address which is default. Okay, so right here is default is equal to 1. Okay, then call the first method, and now just return to the checkout view. So right here return view and pass here the view name, which is checkout, and also pass this address value. Okay, so right here compact method, compact, and inside this compact method just paste your address. Okay, and now save this. Now let's create the route for this checkout method. So go to the routes directory and open web.php, and here let's create a new route get add the URI /checkout and method name, controller name, which is cart controller colon class, and then pass here the method name, which is checkout, this one. Okay, and now give the route name cart.checkout. Okay, now save this. Now let's copy this route name, and first of all let's create this view. Okay, checkout view. So go to the resources directory, and inside the views let's create a new file checkout.blade.php. okay, and now let's extend the layout here. So right here extends layout name, so layouts.app. okay, and now add here the section, content section, and just close this section. So right here end section. Okay, and now go to the template directory. So switch to the template directory, And from the website folder, let's open this one, checkout.html file in Visual Studio Code. So open with VS Code, and let's find the main tags. Just search here main, just collapse this main and copy, and go to the checkout blade.php file, and here inside this content section just paste here. Okay, and now let's add here the cart link. So right here, double curly bracket, route, and inside this just pass here cart.index. Okay, cart.index, and for checkout just add here the JavaScript one clickable link. So right here JavaScript colon void and password 0. Okay, and also copy this and paste inside this link, order confirmation. Okay, and now just remove this action. Okay, this is the form for the address. Now first of all, let's check this page. So save this file, and let's view in browser. So go to the browser and just add here the URL checkout and log in with user credential. So log in. Okay, now again go to the checkout, and you can see here the checkout page. Okay, and here is the checkout form. Okay, address shipping form, and let's display here the order details. Okay, and this is the payment mode. Okay, and place order button, and if I click on this link, you can see the cart page. Now inside the cart page, let's add here the link for checkout. Okay, so go to the cart blade.php file, and here inside the button link, inside this link, just add here the link for the checkout. So right here route name cart.checkout. Okay, now save this. Now just refresh the page and click on proceed to checkout. Okay, it's working. Now here let's go to the checkout view file, and before displaying this form, let's add here before this row, first of all let's check here this address value. If address exists, then just display here the address. Otherwise let's show here the address form, shipping form. Okay, so add here if directive, if dollar address, if address is available, then just show here the address from the address table, okay, default address. Otherwise inside the else part just display this form, okay, shipping form. And after this just collapse this div, okay, here, and just close this if directive int if. And now if address exists, then just display here the address. So for displaying the address, just add here the row called md12, and then another class my account and underscore address list, okay. And then this one my account address list item, and after this one more dot my account underscore address dash item details, okay, detail. This is the class for the CSS, okay, which is already written in the CSS file, template file, okay. Now let's display here the name, address, landmark, city, state, country and zip code, and also display here the phone number, okay. So right here inside the p tag double curly bracket dollar address arrow name, close this p tag. Now let's copy and paste here and change here the column name, address, then landmark, okay, and now city, and also display here the state and country. So let's copy this, comma, paste here, comma, and paste here. Now show here the state and here country, okay. And after this just display here the zip code or pin code. So right here zip, and add here the break tag and just display here the phone number. Okay, now save this, and if address not available inside this form, let's here let's add the value, and inside the value just display here the old value which is name. And now let's copy this and paste here for phone number, the zip code, state, city, address, locality, and for landmark, okay. So just change here the name, so copy this name, phone, zip, state, city, address, and locality and landmark, okay. And now for displaying the validation message, after this span tag, after this label, you can see here this is the span tag for displaying the error message, okay. So inside this just write here if @ error directive error and pass here the name of the control, which is name, and then after this closing a span tag, just close here, end error. Okay, and inside this span tag, just display the error message right here, dollar message. Now let's copy this and paste here for phone. Just select this and press Ctrl D. Select multiple. Okay, now paste here, and now change the name. So let's copy this name, landmark, locality, address, this one, city, state, and zip code, zip, phone. Okay, that's it. Now save this. Now here let's display here the card details. Okay, here display the products and their subtotal, and also cart subtotal, and VAT, and also display the cart total. So for that, just right here before this inside this T body, just add here @ for each, and inside this just add here the cart colon instance, and pass here the instance name, which is cart edge $item, and now just cut this int for each and paste after this closing trigger tag. Okay, and now display here the product name. So right here double curly bracket $item arrow name. Okay, and then quantity, so add here the cross sign, X sign, and then double curly bracket $item arrow QTY. Okay, now display here the subtotal. So right here double curly bracket item arrow subtotal. Okay, and from here just remove this tr. This is the first product and this is the second, so just remove the second one. You only need this first tr. So save this file, and here just display the cart subtotal. So right here cart, let's copy this cart instance cart, and here just paste and call subtotal method. Okay, and now let's copy this, and for displaying the total just paste here and change here the method name total. Okay, and for displaying the tags just right here tags. Okay, and one more thing, before displaying this cart total, let's check here before this table if session has discount key. Okay, you can see here the discount key, this one. Okay, if session has discounts key, so just pass this, then display here the discounted cart total. Okay, and if discount scheme not available, then just display the normal cart value. So after this table, just close and F. Okay, and if discounts available, then let's display the discounted price. So let's copy this table and paste here, and now display here the discounted subtotal. So right here, first show here the normal subtotal, then let's display here the discounted subtotal. So from the cart, let's copy this one. Okay, this T body, just copy, and here let's select this, remove and paste here. Okay, this is the subtotal, discount code, coupon code. Okay, and here is the subtotal after discount, shipping, VAT and total. Okay, now save this and let's check this page. So switch to the browser and just refresh the page, and you can see here this time no coupon is applied here, so it's showing the normal cart value. Now let's apply the coupon. So go to the cart page, and here just apply of 20, apply coupon. Okay, invalid coupon, so let's of 20, apply, invalid. Let's check the coupon. So open the private window and just go to the localhost 8000 port, login, admin. Okay, and just click on this coupons. Okay, you can see here of 30. Okay, of 20 applied when cart value is equal to or greater than 400. So let's use this one of 30, of 30, apply, coupon applied here. Okay, now proceed to checkout, and you can see here the discounted cart total. Here let's align the amount right align. Okay, so inside this table, just write here class text right. Okay, text right. Let's copy this and paste here, Control D and paste. Okay, and also add here the class inside the TD. So paste here, in every TD. Okay, now save this, refresh the page. Now it's looking good. Okay, now here let's keep this is the payment option. Okay, cash on delivery, PayPal, direct bank transfer. Okay, now let's work in this form. So for that, go to the cart controller, and here inside the cart controller, let's create another function for placing the order, and during the placing the order, save the shipping details in the address table. So we will see in next video. So in this way you can create checkout page. So that's all about creating the checkout page. So thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.